This blue jay, I think, comes almost every day. It's hard to tell because there's quite a few well, there's 3 or 4 of them at least. But sometimes they let me get a little close, but not to where I could feed them by hand. But I'm about 10 yards maybe away, I think, or 5 to 10. I don't know, something like that. But they know I'm here. Oh, maybe he didn't like that. But anyways, I think I'm gonna start uploading videos of me trying to get closer to these cool birds that are in my backyard. Okay, I think that's probably it for now. We got some of the brown French fry birds that people call them. I don't know, maybe wrens or sparrows. Sparrow, but there's the train. They don't love that sound, but well, they don't really come out too much. They're more timid until I kind of go inside. But I think that's gonna be it. Just got the blue jay for a minute, and they took off until I go inside. But hopefully next time I'll be able to get more better shots of different birds, because sometimes woodpeckers come in, sometimes cardinals come in, and I don't know. So I'll leave it at that for now, and hopefully get something next time a little bit more closer up, hopefully, if possible.